Hey, it's Culper Woodhull. I have a challenge lock in here from Dr. Weasel, right up here. That's how you spell it, and he's with Lockpickers United. He's a great guy. For some reason, I got his first challenge lock, but I could not get it on video. So here we are. He's kind enough to send me another one. So I think there's an extra one in here too. So, showing you I haven't opened it. Nice little Saturday package here. That's bragging about little Gerber tool. I used to have a Gerber dime, a really small tool. It fit in my pocket, did everything I needed it to. I don't even need it for that. Now I can't find it. So, that's what you get for bragging about stuff that you enjoy, I guess. Let's check this guy out here. We got a letter. I'll put this aside. Okay. Seems to be it for the box. There are two mummified key for sure. Okay, so DW02. So Dr. Weasel second challenge lock. I believe that's what it stands for. Looks like a Schlag 5-pinner, possibly. Check out this other one he sent. This is from someone else. I'll have to track that person down to let them know I have their challenge lock. He's also mummified. I'm not gonna try to check it out. This is 2B1. I don't know if this is first challenge lock. I don't know what tube. I'll have to ask him. Well, he doesn't have a back plate on this, so always check those. Or you just have everything coming out at you. So cool. Alright. We are going to, since this is Dr. Weasel's package, we'll go ahead and attempt an out of the package pick. Thanks again, Dr. Weasel. I don't know how to. There we go. I think down was better. Okay, so we don't need to look at the key. Oh, he's also put DW on each side there. I'm just going to try to inspect this just in case there's something I'm missing. Nope, doesn't look like it. And I may be able to find a backing for this, just so we don't have any accidents or anybody in the future. I'll have to go through my stuff later. So let's try to get this one picked open. I think that would take a 50,000th type of the key. It sure does. Okay, just looking in there. Wow, I can see that that first pin there has some serrations. Let's see what we're going to use. I guess it never hurts to start out with a nice standard. I may do a low HD. That seems to be working a lot better. I love that low HD. I don't know why. I just from Sparrows. So let's see what he did to us. Okay, we got to click out of 1. 2's binding. Let me go for 3. 3 and this is binding. 4. Everything is binding in there, so that was 5, nice and crunchy. Okay, got some core rotation on 2. Going back to 1 here. It's bound. Everything seems bound up. At this point, I'd be looking for some counter rotation. Yeah, but I think Doktor has some tricks up his sleeve on this one. Okay. Yeah, looks like I'm going to have to do some counter. He did tell me he put some nasty pins in here, so I don't know if that was quick enough. A little bit of movement on the core. That was 2. 1 is binding. Alright, got some core movement on 4. Quick out of 5. A little something out of 4 again. And there we go. Alright, Dr. Weasel, that was fun. For sure, I was happy to pick this challenge lock for you. That's clearly an open. Yeah, so let's check out the key. Kind of slip it out. And I probably would try to go ahead and pick that other challenge lock, but I just don't know any of the information that he or she might need to have before I pick that. I think that would kind of be a disservice to the person who created that lock. If it will come out. Hey, we've got tweezers, right? There we go. Oh wow, okay. Yes, and he did mention something about making his own keys, so that's pretty cool. And it says, I think another DW, not sure what, 02, okay. Yeah, DW02. Alright, moment of truth. Does the key work? Yeah, it works good to me. Alright. Awesome job, Dr. Weasel. Let's get this thing ready. Very fun. I love challenge locks. So if you have them, send them my way. I'm always down for a challenge. Where are my tools? What I need first is that over here. key again, won't we? Find a file. Alright. Just be called and I didn't answer. I was at the bank, so now she's worried. No worries, I'll get back to her as soon as I can. That should do it. Okay, so let's see what's in the key pins. Oh, wow. Three discs. May have been a 6-pinner. I think this. You know what? I wanted to get a picture from him. I know for a fact that 3 will be there. Oh wow, it's wicked. Nice spinning. Let's get a very nice job. Okay. Let's go after those drivers. I always like to put these exactly how I get them out. Wow. Well done, Dr. Weasel. These pins. Oh wow, look at that. He had fun with this. So did I. You know, challenge locks should be fun. They shouldn't be overly stressful. That was fun. More. I think the order of those may have got misplaced, but we will, like I said, I'll contact him. I'm sure he has a photo. That's my wife seeing if I'm alive. Now I had to run to the bank and the post office, and also the order of these. I'm not sure. I guess the longer ones would be the shorter ones. There's a few stuck in there. For a fact, that's number 4. Missing 2 springs. There's 1. Another. Okay, Dr. Weasel, awesome job. Let me check out this core. Okay, we have 2, 4, and 6 are counter milled. I don't know if you can see that. The lens or the screen on my camera is awful. But usually it tends to show up nice, so hopefully you can see that. Looking down to see if I can find any more modifications on that. Again, here's the key. This was hand cut with a file. It does good work. Let's show you the all the good stuff. See, one we have a torpedo shade. We have a serrated. I'd say spooled slash serrated. Another serrated, like a barrel, I think is what they call that. And oh, we're not showing you what we're looking at here. So serrated, sort of like a gin bottle maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong here. These are more deep serrations, short spools. I'm not sure. Moving down to the drivers. I don't even, that just looks like a, I don't know what he did to that thing. Doesn't it look like the queen on a chessboard? That's what I'm gonna call it. That's a queen. Serrations with some tapered beveling, I don't know. T-pin for sure. Another barrel, like gin bottle, serrated and spooled. Very nice work. This is Dr. Weasel's number 2 challenge lock. Alright, it's a couple wood hole, and it's been fun picking with you guys today. And take care.